How many rolls do you have?
Well, he's got donuts that I keep forgetting to bring.
Lovely. All right, so a little bit of blue touch up.
I'm very high right now.
No, you're not. You're just an artiste. Are you autistic or artistic?
All of the above. You already touched up like down in there and stuff.
Yes, I did. I did around there, up in here, up over here, and then I touched up the blue and the black line here. A little overspray touch up. Flavorful. And Scotty is going to go handle the wheels.
Which I just never had time to do 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Now we finally got a little bit of a lull waiting on parts. So yeah, we'll go find out about your wheels. That's all I gotta say, dude.
Yeah.
That's all I gotta say.
Yeah. Understood. So Xander's doing a little touch up. Ooh, look, we got plug wire clippies. I'm getting ready to put oil in this and prime it. We'll put the fuel pump on. Then after we prime the oil system, we will stab the distributor. What the?
He's gonna pee on my feet.
Oh.
I see it takes care of athletes.
That's gross.
Is that what you're doing? You're doing like a jellyfish thing?
Yeah. Anyway,
Oops, I just sprayed like an entire in my hand.
that's okay. You like that color.
No, I already I had black on my finger.
So, anyway, get distributor in, get all that done. Ooh, water temp sender's in. I'm going to snug it up, but it's in. We are getting there. I believe this heater hose fitting came. It's in this box from Summit. So, all right, there we go. Thank you, Xander.